This is one of the site, and we have established this in the form of a demonstration plot. It can act as a prominent area and convince and motivate other community members to establish such plot in their areas as well. This is one of the closed watershed, a small watershed having many waterways. Here we have done many practices, like we have done water conservation. You can see there is a small reservoir, so we have harvested the water of perennial springs and are stored there. Apart from this, we have planted over here trees. We are planting economical and alternative livelihood trees, which can act as a forest as well as fruit-bearing trees, so that it can sustain the livelihood of the people. For example, we have planted over here about 4,000 trees. It has walnuts. After 5th year, it starts bearing fruits as of nut fruits, and then community members will come here and they will collect the trees and sell it into the market. We have already linked this to the market. This is a degraded watershed. You can see over here that the soil is a sandy loam, a sandy soil. So these trees act as a barrier to erosion, and they prevent erosion. So also it conserves the water. Plus, each and every tree has established its own ecosystem. Apart from the water reservoir constructed over there, these small pits around the trees also harvest water. It's a micro catchment, and here, if you see, with the passage of time, biodiversity will develop, and this way our project is contributing to carbon sequestration, and hopefully even it will be a very little one, but globally it will contribute somehow to to stop carbon emission, do carbon sequestration, and it will help in the mitigation of climate change.